So I'm back here. I filmed here about a month or two ago, and nothing out of the ordinary here. But today, I noticed that the left turn arrows on the main road are solid. They used to flash, even though it's protected permissive, which is extremely rare for BC. Because the BC kind of standard is to flash the left turn arrow wherever there's a protected permissive, and only use solid arrows where it's protected only. So I don't really know what's happened here. A few things. I guess it's possible maybe technicians are working on the signal timing and they accidentally turned off the flash, and they turned off the phase to flash the arrow. Or it could be possible that they perhaps the flashing is done with some separate like relay, or maybe the arrow, there's some logic in the arrow itself that flashes, and maybe that's died. I don't know. There's another intersection just down the road I noticed last month that had a solid left turn arrow, and I thought, well, maybe it's just, you know, something's wrong. But if this one's doing it now, I mean, it's rare. I don't think this is the case, but I guess it could be that the city, for some reason, is changing them to solid, which is a big no-no. But the city of Nanaimo loves to use tax signs instead of using the BC sign manual. So yeah, this is just bizarre. I mean, drivers seem to get it, so kind of reminds me of the US. Whenever I go down there and I see the solid arrows for everything. But yeah, there you go.